Rina lives in a small, peaceful town far away from the noise and rush of big cities. The town has quiet streets lined with tall trees, tiny shops with friendly shopkeepers, and small houses built close to each other like a warm community. Everyone knows everyone. When someone walks down the road, people smile, wave, and ask, "How are you today?" Rina is a gentle, soft-spoken girl who enjoys simple things. She likes reading books on her small balcony, listening to the birds in the morning, and walking to the local market with her mother. She isn't someone who spends money easily. She believes in saving, planning, and buying only what she really needs. If her shoes tear, she stitches them carefully and uses them a little longer. If her phone screen cracks, she buys a cheap cover instead of replacing it. She lives with her mother in a little house painted light yellow, with a garden full of marigold flowers. One evening, after finishing her dinner, Rina sits on her bed and opens her phone. She scrolls through random posts when suddenly, a bright advertisement flashes across her screen. It says, "Black Friday sale, up to 70% off, biggest sale of the year." Rina blinks twice. She has heard of Black Friday before. People rushing into stores, huge discounts, long lines, loud crowds, and amazing deals. But she had never joined it. She thought it was only for big shoppers, not for someone simple like her. But tonight, the advertisement looks different. It feels like it is calling her. She thinks, maybe I can buy a new pair of shoes. My old ones hurt my feet. Maybe a small bag too. She looks at her old shoes kept near the door. The color has faded, the sole is thin, and the stitching is weak. She smiles softly and whispers, "I think it's time." That night before sleeping, she makes a brave decision. Tomorrow morning, she will go to the mall for the Black Friday sale. She sets her alarm for 6 a.m., turns off the light, and sleeps with excitement fluttering inside her chest. The next morning, the alarm rings loudly. Rina rubs her eyes, gets up slowly, washes her face, ties her hair neatly, and puts on her warm sweater. The sky outside is still dim. A soft, cold breeze enters the house when she opens the door. Her mother asks sleepily, "Where are you going so early?" Rina smiles. "Just to the mall. There is a sale today." Her mother nods and says, "Take care, dear. Don't rush. Crowds can be crazy." Rina promises and leaves the house. She walks to the bus stop. The streets feel empty, as if the whole town is still sleeping. A dog sleeps beside a shop shutter. A shop owner yawns while lifting the iron shutter. The air smells of morning dew. The bus arrives with a loud rumble. Rina climbs inside and sits by the window. She watches the sky slowly change from dark blue to soft orange. The sun peeks over the hills. After a 20-minute ride, the bus reaches the city mall. The moment Rina steps down, her eyes widen. A huge crowd is already waiting outside the mall gates. The line stretches across the parking area. Some people are wrapped in blankets, some holding thermos cups, some stretching their legs after waiting all night. Children sit on the ground with their toys. Groups of friends chat excitedly, comparing deals on their phones. Rina has never seen such a huge crowd in her life. She slowly walks to the end of the line. People murmur, "I hope the deal is still available. I want the new phone. I came at 4 a.m. My feet hurt already." Rina stands patiently. She holds her small purse tightly. The wind blows her hair gently. Her mind repeats, "I just want one pair of shoes. Just one." Minutes pass, then half an hour, then almost 1 hour. Finally, with a loud beep, the mall gates open. Security guards try to control the rush, but people start walking fast, some even running. Rina walks quickly but carefully. She doesn't want to push anyone. Inside the mall, bright lights greet her eyes. Loud music vibrates through the air. Big red posters hang everywhere. 50% off. Buy one, get one free. Limited time. Today only. The energy inside the mall feels wild, exciting, loud, chaotic, and full of adrenaline. Rina goes straight to the shoe store. She looks left, right, up, down. So many shelves, so many shoes, so many people. And then she sees it. A beautiful pair of shoes. Light brown, soft material, perfect stitching. The kind she has dreamed of but never bought. She picks them up gently and checks the price tag. Original price, $80. Black Friday price, $35. Her heart jumps. She whispers, "This is perfect." Just then, a woman taps her shoulder and says, "Excuse me, I think you're holding my shoes." Rina freezes. Her face turns red. She looks at the shoes. She looks at the woman. She looks again at the shoes. Both remain silent for a second. And then, they both laugh. The woman says, "I found another pair in my size. Don't worry." Rina laughs in relief. "Oh, thank you. I thought I made a mistake." They smile at each other and move on. After choosing the shoes, Rina walks toward the checkout counter. The line is long again. Extremely long. But this time she feels calm. She holds the shoes like a treasure. While waiting, she observes everything around her. A man holding 4 jackets. A mother carrying toys for her children. A teenager excited about buying a new laptop. An old couple choosing kitchen items together. Everyone is here for the same reason. The joy of saving money and buying something they dreamed of. Finally, after what feels like forever, it's Rina's turn. She pays for the shoes, puts them carefully in a paper bag, and walks out of the store with a joyful smile. But her day isn't over yet. She walks through different aisles, looking at bags, perfumes, accessories, books, sweaters, and scarves. The mall feels like a festival, full of lights, colors, and excitement. She buys a small, simple bag for her mother, cream-colored, soft, and elegant. She knows her mother will love it. After a few hours, Rina feels tired. Her legs hurt, her back aches, and she hasn't eaten anything since morning. But she also feels incredibly happy. She sits on a bench near the exit door. She takes a deep breath. She watches the crowd move like waves. She listens to people chatting, laughing, arguing, comparing prices, sharing excitement. She thinks, Black Friday is loud, chaotic, crowded, but it is also full of life. When she finally leaves the mall and boards the bus, she feels a warm sense of achievement. She holds the bag on her lap and looks out the window. The sky is bright blue now. Clouds float peacefully. She reaches home, opens the door, and her mother comes out with a curious smile. "So, how was it?" Rina laughs. "Crazy, completely crazy, but also fun, really fun." Her mother hugs her. Rina gives her the cream-colored bag. Her mother's eyes shine with joy. That night, Rina sits on her bed, looking at her new shoes. She smiles softly. She didn't just buy shoes. She experienced something new. She learned patience. She faced a crowd. She laughed with strangers. She made memories. For Rina, Black Friday was not just a sale. It was a small adventure. A story she would remember forever.